Hello creatives, welcome back, and I'm back with another video. Today we'll be looking at Canva, so let me open the app. I've opened the app and I'm waiting for it to load. I'm going to show you how you may create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Now Canva is one of the simplest and easiest ways to create YouTube thumbnails, right? So let me just wait on this to load up a bit. And there are a lot of different templates that you can use. Some are free. Well, they're free, but you have a few that offer you stack options, and some of those tend to have the Canva inscribed within text. You can use these as is, or you can edit the text, change the picture, but at the same time maintaining the same look. So I've selected one. For example, this is a stack option. You will notice here that the Canva logo or the Canva writing is within that one, so I'm not going to use that one. Let me search for something else. They're very beautiful, and you can choose whatever best suit your style or whichever layouts you prefer. So I'm going to work with this one now. I'm going to show you how simple and easy this can be, right? You can work along with images that they have provided to you within the app. I'm going to work with this image for now. You're able to stretch and resize from side to side, top, bottom, or the corners of images, right? I'm going to set this behind the outer triangles on either end. Fit this right in and stretch it out a bit so it fills the space within the middle right here. You're able to drag it and position it quite simply and stretch it how big or small you may want it. Right? Now I'm going to work on the text. I'm going to change the text that exists right here. Also, you have different font styles and sizes you can work with. There are a lot of choices here, and the possibilities of creating thumbnails are endless. So as I said, Canva is one of the best and easiest Android apps to use to create thumbnails. So I'm going to work with this one for now, see how it looks. Just creating a simple thumbnail. Certification vlog. Let's see, New York vacation vlog. Right, you're able to change the color, size, you know, and put whatever fancy stuff to attract your viewers, right? So let me just work on this a bit. These are stack option, but I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to change the color of the two triangles on the end, work with that white text, increase the size a bit, position it in the most logical way to a size or a style that suits me. Right? Want it right within that black triangle right there. Okay, that's good for now. And I'm going to change the color of the other triangle also. Many colors down the bottom there. And I'll work with this right right now. So as you can see, it's quite easy, simple. Various options, various styles. You can use what exists already there, or you can be more creative to create something that you would like or your viewers would truly appreciate. Okay, I'm saving the work now, and you can use this to post later. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and use Canva. It's quite simple and easy. Thanks for watching.